Good morning. I have a parcel from Amazon. I wanted to share it with you today. Sorry about that, the phone was ringing. It is optically controlled liquid crystal device alarm clock. There we go. Okay, inside you got nice little padding case there to make sure it's okay, and inside is quite a fat small clock, hard plastic. It's got a film over the front of it, and on the top is a large snooze light button, so you will press that in. On the back you've got all the controls there. You got alarm, off, alarm, 12:24, so you set the clock, minute, date there, so you can set that, and the hour, month. You've got the temperature here, centigrade, Fahrenheit, on, off, and a sensor. And down here is a little slide button, lock, hour set, date set, time set. So in there you would put your batteries, and they are 3 AAA in there. So let me see. Should have AAA here. Okay, it disappeared like another packet. Let's open this up. There's 3 of them out. One in there. One in there. And one in there. There you go. Oh, and there you go. You can see working perfectly. There's the light, so you can see the time. That's really cool, actually. And it gives you all the information down here as well. It could be the alarm, month and date, temperature, all that down the side. So you just set that to whatever, and it'll give you all the information you need. And you've got the light when you want it to make it easier to see. And I like the big button. It makes it so much easier to use, because when the alarm's going off you just whack. It's really cute, actually. I think I'll be using them myself. I don't have any alarms, I use my phone, so I'll probably use one of these. Brilliant. I love it. Oh, the battery's just come on. Thank you for watching. Bye now.